Hi inJoypreneurs! We're back again for another recipe idea using inJoy products. For today, let's make our chicken pops with mashed potato using inJoy french fries and inJoy gravy. Here's the list of the ingredients that we need. First, let's prepare our mashed potato using french fries powder. Ang daming recipe ang pwede niyong gawin using this product. Sobrang sulit! After preparing our mashed potato, set aside and fry our chicken. Now for the gravy, gagamitin naman natin ang inJoy's famous chicken gravy. Sobrang sarap nito at ang dali lang gawin. All the instructions are listed on the packaging kaya hindi na rin kayo mahihirapan. Now let's assemble our recipe. You can also add corn and cheese to make it more enticing. Perfect na perfect ito para sa handaan ngayong Pasko. At the best din ito pang negosyo, inJoypreneurs. Easy lang, di ba? I-try niyo na rin. Thanks for watching! Bye!